Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of ABAP Explained. In this episode, I will show you how you can create a maintenance view for any table. We are currently in transaction SM30, and as you can see, I've got a custom table ZMS sales, and by clicking on the maintain button, we can edit the values that are inside the table. We can add new entries if you would like to, and we can remove entries also by selecting here and removing them. Okay, so let's see how we can do that. We are now in transaction SE11 and we've got our database table. So let's click on change, go to utilities, table maintenance generator, click on it. And here you've got a screen to create the maintenance view. What do we have here? We've got authorization group. The basic one is &NC %, which basically means that there is no authorization group, as you can see. You can add custom authorization groups. In most cases, you're going to use this one. And we've got the function group. The function group can have any name. In my case, I'm just going to copy the table name and add it here. And it's going to be created after generation of the maintenance view. The next thing is maintenance type, one step or two step. I'm gonna show you both ways. Usually what I'm doing is one step and then just putting here the screen number. In case you have created many maintenance views for this function group, you're gonna need to click on find screen number, and it's gonna propose a screen number from the available ones. So you've got 5 that are already created. It's gonna give you the number 6. In my case, it's gonna be a whole new function group, so the proposed number is 1. And we just click on create, add them to a package. In my case, it's gonna be just local objects without a transport. After the maintenance view has been created, we can go to transaction SM30 and see the results. So by clicking on maintain, you can see that I can change the data now as I want. And that's the basic maintenance view you can create. And in the next step, I'm gonna add a new field just to show you one thing. Let's say it's gonna be node without initial values and a built-in type char, let's say 60. It's gonna be the node. And I'm deliberately not creating a data element for this one, just so you can see that there won't be any texts on the column name when creating the maintenance generator. And also, as you can see, if I click now on maintain, the new field is not here. That's because we have changed the table, and after you change the table, do something to it, change the data element, descriptions, and so on, you're going to need to create the maintenance view one more time. So you're going to need to go again to table maintenance generator. You are in edit mode and click on edit, on change, and we're going to say the reason why we want to regenerate the maintenance view. In our case, it's a new field. Click on OK and select the overview screen just so it deletes the screen and create a new one. Click on OK and it says it will be deleted and recreated. No problem. You can also choose a new screen number, but it doesn't really make sense. So we just regenerate it. Okay, and let's check the result. When clicking on maintain, oh, I didn't expect that. That's probably because it has the old maintenance view in the memory. So let's click again on maintain. And now it's gonna load the new maintenance view for this table that we have just now created. It's good practice to reload the transaction after changing the maintenance view, as you can see, so you don't get a dump. And after reloading, you can see that we've got the new node column, but without description. The description is taken from the data element. It's also good practice to create data elements for every field you create and maintain the field labels that then you can see are displayed here. So what can you do apart from creating a data element with some descriptions? We can go to our table maintenance generator and double click on the screen. Okay. And here click on layout to open the beloved screen painter. As you can see, we've got our columns here. That's the screen, the view that has been created when clicking on table maintenance generator. And by clicking this column, you can change this text here. You can change the display length, so on and so on. And we're just gonna say note and save the view, activate it, and we can close the screen painter. If the screen painter doesn't work for you, as always, check out this video where I solved the issue doing this on a local machine. You might have the pretty layout editor not working. So we have activated this, and let's go back to our maintenance view and click on maintain. And as you can see, now it's the node is visible, so we don't have this plus sign, and we can add nodes, headphones, very cheap. And as promised, just to show you how the maintenance type works. So if we've got just one screen, when we press on new entries, it's not gonna change to another screen. It allows us to add something on the same screen as we edit the values. So let's do sale ID 20, product name, let's say phone, invoice number, something, transaction date, something, amount, 100, and without a note. And saving is just basically gonna add this record here, as you can see. And now if I am going to change the maintenance type in the maintenance generator to two-step, click on find screen number, just so it suggests us the available numbers. You can click on change, and it already selected maintenance type changed, and click on OK, and it's gonna regenerate the view. It's a small difference between these two types. I usually like to do only one screen apart from two, but just for demonstration purpose, I'm gonna show you what's the difference. So the maintenance view has been created, and now let's go to our maintenance view. Again, open transaction SM30 just to reload it, click on maintain, and now when I click on new entries, it's gonna pop up this new screen, the second screen that we have created. And here you can add just the same way a new record, but in this it just has a new screen, which maybe is easier for someone to create. I don't know. And also, as you can see, we've got again this plus sign. So to change that, we can double click, this time on single screen 3, and do the same thing. Go to layout editor. We've got this plus, so we can change the plus to note, save it, activate, close, go back, pressing F3 shortcut, go back, and let's see if it works. Yes, it's got another font, but it worked. So that's the two-way with two screens to create a maintenance view. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, you learned something new. I don't think it's very hard, but sometimes it's hard to find the right place to change the column name and so on. But now you know, so if you are happy to learn something new, subscribe the channel, leave a like, and I hope to see you in the next video. As always, thank you.